Hi guys, it's Lakshit here from Mahavir Agencies Chennai. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு Scorpio வண்டியில சூப்பரான electrification upgrades பண்ணிருக்கோம். And this car belongs to the founder of K Production, who is Mr. Rajarajan, a movie producer. We are delivering the car Scorpio. Let's have a review from Raja sir.
As a car enthusiast and an audio lover, it was very new for me because there are thousands and thousands of models of speakers and brands of audio that confuses a lot of buyers when we come in to want to upgrade our audio. When I came in, it was very, very clear and with so much knowledge and so much inputs coming in from people like Lakshit who are coming and explaining things to us, makes our decision making a lot more easier. One. The second very interesting and surprising thing was, like any other customers do, we always compare our costs involved with the online cost. It was very surprising to notice that this cost was much cheaper than the online cost. I don't know how they are doing that, but I think that's a great thing for people like us. So I think please continue doing this great job. I love the way they have handled this very professionally. It was a very, very professional setup. It is a very professional approach to understanding the customer, and a great way to make sure that the customer has to come back to them, and it's a one-time visit which will make you come back forever to this place. And to people like Lakshit and the team, I congratulate all of you. Have a great day ahead.
So in the car la enna upgrades பண்ணிருக்கோம் வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். First upgrade பாத்தீங்கன்னா, in this car we have installed Morel brand la varudhu kinetic series or both component and coaxial as well, and these speakers are powered with SoundMagus la varudhu 4-channel amp which provides you crystal clear highs, deep bass and perfect mids as well. This electrification upgrade is just not done to hear the audio but to feel the audio as well. And to feel this audio, we have installed UNPLUG brand la varudhu 2.5 mm damping sheets which completely reduces your noise, vibration and harshness, which provides you with better acoustics and better quality of audio as well. To match the interior of this car with the same door pads and the dashboards in walnut color, we have also done steering wrap in this car, which gives you a premium and comfortable feel while your long drives. For such more professional and sophisticated upgrades, get in touch with us.